Alright, in this video we are going to make a smoothie in this blender, and I make a smoothie with a whole bunch of stuff in it, so just watch. Okay, yes, all of this is going to go in there and make the biggest smoothie. We'll make the full 64 ouncer. We got tea, cranberry, yogurt, raisins, steel cut oats. We're going to throw some oatmeal in there, some hemp hearts, cinnamon, turmeric, oranges, cucumbers, we got spinach. I like to do the frozen vegetables that gives you the kind of the milkshake type thing to it. So let's get it in there and let's get it rolling. Okay, to avoid making the video super long, I just went ahead and just put everything in there instead of actually showing the stuff going in it. There you go, let's get it blended. Okay, here we are. May have to put more liquid in there, we don't know, we'll know in a moment. And then once I get everything kind of loosened up, then I just go ahead and let it do its thing. Alright, let's see what we got. I could pour it through the spout, but I'm just gonna fill my glass and move on. But there it is. Blended perfect. Delicious.